angels, I'm told by Fawn from A Drop of Eden, and today we're going to be discussing the benefits of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is an extract derived from the leaves and flowers of the peppermint plant. This plant is an aromatic herb that belongs to the mint family. It is a hybrid between the spearmint and the watermint plant and grows organically around North America and Europe. Peppermint oil benefits are incredible. The uses of peppermint essential oil have been proven for thousands of years. When I first started looking into essential oils and their benefits, I knew they were used throughout history, but had no clue it dated back well over 5,000 years. I knew they were beneficial, but I didn't know how many medical studies had actually been conducted on them. I was shocked to learn that over 1,200 medical studies were conducted on peppermint essential oil alone. Over 1,000 medical studies on this essential oil, proving that it helps heal your digestive tract and even has the ability to fight cancer. What makes peppermint essential oil so powerful is it contains a compound called menthol. This compound has been shown to act as an analgesic on the body, reduce inflammation, and act as an antioxidant. Peppermint oil has been shown to benefit your health by naturally boosting your energy levels. In a recent study, they found that by simply smelling peppermint oil, it naturally increases your mood and energy levels. Diffusing peppermint and cedarwood is commonly used to improve your focus and concentration, especially with those with ADHD. Peppermint oil has also been shown in medical studies to help soothe irritable bowel syndrome and leaky gut issues. Another great use of peppermint oil is to open your airways from bronchitis, allergies, and asthma. You can mix peppermint essential oil and eucalyptus essential oil with a carrier and use it as a natural vapor rub. This is one of my go-to recipes when sick. Just a tablespoon of coconut oil, 3 drops of peppermint, 3 drops of eucalyptus. Mix it well and you have a natural vapor rub to soothe and open up your lungs and airways. This is great during allergy season to help ease those stubborn symptoms. It really helps open up your sinus airways and your lungs, helping you breathe better. Peppermint oil is also an antimicrobial. Various studies have been conducted proving that peppermint oil has resistance and even has the ability to kill several strains of Staphylococcus. One of my favorite benefits of peppermint essential oil is its ability to relieve headaches. Peppermint oil acts as a muscle relaxant and a pain reliever, giving it the ability to diminish certain types of headaches. The menthol in the peppermint oil increases blood flow and provides a cooling sensation, easing pain. In a clinical study of people with migraines, peppermint essential oil diluted with a carrier was applied to the forehead, temples, and the back of the neck. It had a significant reduction of pain after just 2 hours and was found to be as effective for headaches as in 1,000 milligrams of Tylenol. For this reason, peppermint is one of the top 2 essential oils in the United States today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please remember to go to the description box below and click through the blog post where you'll find tons of extra information from how to use essential oils, safety tips, recipes, substitutions, scaling, links to places to buy all your ingredients, and more.